Welcome everyone. Just a second. All right, here we are. So the market open-ended. Everybody lost their money. All right, cool. I love this. I love this thing. All right. Do we have a market structure shift here? To the upside. Yeah, Nasdaq looks promising. All right. Left with a small gap here. I don't know. Let's see. Yes, wants to fight maybe. 47, 37. Well, maybe we can do that. Maybe we can do that. Or maybe not. If it's going to reprice it, I'm not doing it. Oh, no. I don't know. I don't like it. All right, I'm in. I had to. I had to. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sell one contract from it. Okay, I'm in a long position. What could be possible good entry here? TP2 should be up there, 877. What's up there? Oh yeah, of course. 875, all right. Yesterday's high, what was it? 75.50. Let's go for it. Good for me. Entry price. What is this? Profit level 75.50. Okay, this is it. This is it. Previous day high. That's what we're hoping. Not exactly the entry I wanted to take, so we're gonna go with that anyway for now. It's not exactly that I wanted or what I wanted. Russell is not doing anything. Targeting the 75.50. Actually, my entry is very bad. It's not even there. My entry is 53. Entry. Terrible entry. Still have a 1-to-1 range here. So. Can we get this thing rolling to the upside? Relative equal highs on ES. It can happen. We have a chance for it. Excuse me. Maybe you guys would like to see my account. Where should I put it? If I put it there. That's not good. I'm in drawdown. Oh no. Oh no. I'm in drawdown. It's very bad. It's very, very, very bad. I'm gonna lose this one. Actually, now would be the optimal entry. Let me check it. This would be an optimal trade entry. On this small fair value gap down here. This would have been, oops. This would have been the optimal entry. But it seems like it wants to go against me. I can make this panel stay here. How can I do this? How can I make it stay there? I don't know. I'm gonna be losing 100. I was a little bit up. Actually, I was okay. There you go. My stop is gonna get liquidated. What do we have here? Yeah, it's gonna get taken out. What would be the way to do it properly? So if I would have entered here on this fair value gap, that would have been a much better place. But it's too late for that now. I'm just gonna wait for it to hit the stop loss, and it is what it is. I can't make this stay here. I have to find another way. I don't know what's happening here. If we get another setup, then maybe, just maybe, we can try to re-enter, but at this point it's just pointless to do anything. This was the only trade I was hoping for after market open, but we have yesterday's high, not too far. It can still go for it, but maybe first we need to see some lows or go back down into this congestion area. Yep. Seems like that's gonna be the case. Come on. Come on. I want to see some movement here to decide if we want to dump here or just gonna go sideways or whatever. Or are we going to go for another run for the highs? I'm really curious. I mean, what it's gonna do here. All right, almost out. Almost out. It's massaging my stop loss. But I'm gonna look for a new re-entry if we're still gonna stay in this area and make a structure shift. And if it wants to go for the highs, then I'm gonna try once more. What is Russell doing? Nothing. Okay. We can also see like a new market structure shift here, but no high hopes for this one. Sir McCarty, hello. I think it is at resistance on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it could be. I don't have 30-minute, sorry. I never really checked the 30-minute chart, but it's definitely a hard level here if we want to attack buy side again for yesterday's high. But as long as ES wants to go for buy side liquidity at the historical highs right before, I mean from 2022, as you can see, 2022 January, we have the all-time historical high 5,029. So if that is something that ES wants, then it might just going to drag NQ with it. But for now, it seems like NQ might want to go down furthermore and sweep some more liquidity. I don't really like that, so. But we're gonna be looking for some new targets there. Anyway, we'll see. But you know, thank you, and I'm not sure if I saw you before on the stream. Thank you so much for joining, and thanks for the comment. Anyone, if you want to help me out or can help me out, drop a like to cheer me up with this stop loss. It should be spiking through the 32 level, like immediately in a second. Is it going through or not? Oh yeah, taken. Stop loss has been taken, unfortunately. It's not a big deal. We can still re-enter if it gives us a proper entry. Down today, $72 down on the account today overall. So that's manageable. What do we have? I'm definitely going to look for a re-entry if it gives us an opportunity. Yesterday's high is still in play. Today was a little bit difficult. Yesterday was an okay day, but today was a little bit difficult to decide the bias. For now, it seems like it may want to come down for the opening range down there at 808. Even it can even go down to sweep today's low. It's repricing this gap here. So who knows? Is it going to be a sell-off? Can very well be. I'm just gonna wait and sit on my hand. First time here. Do you go live? Yeah, every day. Sorry, every day. Most likely on a London session, or nowadays I try to go live in New York as well. But I discovered that if I trade the New York Open, it's most likely gambling. So I wait. I try to wait as much as I can, and maybe look for an entry in the AM session later on. But yeah, so all new subscribers are welcome. Are you trading? I mean, how long are you trading, or have you been trading for? What's your experience so far? Let me know. Look at that. Almost like a perfect entry again. We might be re-entering. All right, I put a pending order at a limit order at 41.75. I might go into put it to 42. Let's see. Candle is closing in 10 seconds. Are we going to see okay, so now 46.75. Low of this candle is 46.50. Okay, put my entry at 46.50 pending order. I'm gonna let you guys know if I get filled. Low of this candle is 46.50, so that's where my pending entry is. Look at this, it's gonna go without us, boys and girls. It's gonna go without us. Oh no. Alright. We're gonna do it anyway. What was the high? 75.50, right? 75.50. Let's put in these limit orders. This candle is closing soon. Are we going to go for the high or not? That is the big question. Everybody wants to know. We filled a small fair value gap down here. I'm just not sure of how much, of how, or I'm not sure if it really wants to go up there at this point. Okay, now it's going down to that 46.50 level. At least it seems like it. Question remains, are we gonna go for it? All right, we got filled at 46.50. So let's see if this one wants to go. Let's see. If this one wants to go, that's gonna be, I'm gonna put, yeah. So the entry is 46.50. Take profit should be 75. Well, I'll go with the stop for here to 27.75. I take that. I've been trading for about 3 years. Nice. Started profiting nice. Middle last year. Nice. Watching a few of your videos, and I'll be trading. Thank you. Wow. I'm flattered, actually. Thank you so much. Let me give you an applause. I love that. Thank you. Oh, I'm actually humbled. I'm actually humbled. Thank you so much. So the risk reward here is the risk reward here is not the best, actually. Let me check what's the risk here that we can take. Yeah, I think it might want to go down. It's repricing this level down there, but it feels like that it just wants to go down. What do we see on here? Nothing. Okay. So as long as the plan is to take yesterday's high, it would be great. But if it wants to completely turn around, then we might want to look for some sell side. And yet at this point, I don't know where would that be. But we're going to be looking for it, that's for sure. That is for sure. Zoltan, hey there. Well, you know, I thought why not? We should try it anyways. So I'm feeling better. Yesterday I was feeling very, very bad. Uzbek, hey, what's up? Fair value gap, yeah. We repriced this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. And I think we also have what do we have? Hold on. It has a little bit of hard time to go through those highs, but you know, as I said, as long as ES might want to go back up there, so far the problem is that ES is dropping. That's what's causing us trouble. But you know, this is just one of those days, I guess. How are you guys doing? Hope everything is cool. Today is an interesting day. I wonder if NQ wants to try that high once more or just wants to hover around here. That's the overall big question for me, at least. Is it gonna try to break the 75 level or not? Anybody has a guess or whatever? I would really like to know. So far, it seems like an interesting scenario here. Relative equal lows on ES and yesterday's New York launch low. Yeah. Yeah. That's the problem. That's the problem. I don't know what ES wants to do. That's what I actually don't know. But what I'd like to see, let me just modify my TP properly. 75. Yeah, should go to that's 75. 75 is the high on, yeah, it's 75.50. So my TP is still at 75. So I'm sticking with this. What can I do? Nothing more. How are you guys doing? No idea. Yeah, it's pretty much unpredictable at this point. At least if it would break this 59.50 level, that would be some kind of a sign that it might want to go higher, but I don't know. Today was definitely an interesting day for these trades. So as you can see, guys, this is my trade, the same exact one. Actually, my stop loss is a little bit tighter than this. But yeah, this is it. Only 3 micros, but it's good for me. It's good. For me, it's perfect. Oh yeah, oh my god, not 6 micros. Bum, 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 bum. Not sure what's gonna happen. And I just don't know what the heck the Russell wants, or ES, for example. No idea. So let me put this back here. So you guys are not gonna get disturbed. We're close to those highs, but I don't know. What's ES doing? Oh. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. If it hits my take profit, I'm gonna go crazy. Come on. Is it going to do it? Do it for me, please. Do it for everyone. Do it for the traders. Come on. Just a small push there. Come on. Come on, it's still there. We need that 75.50 level. There you go. That's how we do it. And if you guys are wondering how I did it or why I did it, I can tell you the exact answer if you guys are interested. Are you guys interested? This is because I did it with my new supersonic futuristic indicator from the future, which made by aliens. This was my confirmation to do the trade. Actually, it was my secondary confirmation, but yeah, this was why I did it. This indicator. So if you guys are interested, what is this? Check out my previous videos, and I'm gonna be uploading the new one. I know I'm promising it for days, but you guys will be able to test it. Okay. This was a nice trade. TP smashed. TP smashed. Thank you. It was a nice trade. I really enjoyed this trade. I think it was a good one. It was a real nice trade. I wish we could have some entry on the Russell as well. And you know, the problem is I did not send out the signal to the signal group on the Discord. I have a Discord and I totally forgot to send this signal to the Discord. Today we are down, but if this trade would have gone into the Discord, this trade would got back the losses on the signal. Anyway, it's my fault. It's my fault. But still, we love the Discord. Join my Discord. It's $10 per month, and I'm telling you, after I'm gonna do something infomercial, commercial in the future. Not a big surprise or secret. I'm gonna do the exact same thing like 99% of other traders on YouTube does. I'm gonna put together, it's already have been put together, a very small micro mini course which I'm going to sell, and it's gonna be cheap, so don't worry about the price. It's gonna be real cheap. It's gonna be a micro course, and everything in different modules and everything is gonna be explained, how I use this indicator has been tested since 4 months, actually almost 5 months, and I did everything I can with this, and it proved right. It's working if you have discipline and you know when to enter. So I'm explaining everything on this mini course, and I'm gonna put it out for sale because this is the only job I do, guys, and I need to make a little bit of a side income. That's it. That's the only explanation. I don't have a Lambo, so just saying. By the way, today we still have a sale on Apex. Grab it if you can do it, because it's a really good price, 80% off until February 13. And BULENOX also has an 83% sale on the option 1 accounts. I think the option 2s are 75%, not sure. You can try out the codes. My funded futures has the best value right now. If you click the links down there in the description or in the chat and go to my funded future with my link and get the starter pack and type in Feb10, you can get the starter pack for $90 for a 50k account with no activation fee. So if we're talking about the full activation fee with all the prop firms, my funded futures is now the cheapest option for you. Really is, activation fee wise together. So just think about it. My funded futures is the cheapest right now in this case. So I had to tell this because, you know, I'm an affiliate. Of course I am. Guys, today is an interesting day. It's definitely an interesting day. I'm not sure what the Russell wants here. I know you guys don't trade it. I know. We have some levels here at 87-ish. High of this is 87.5. Coordinates 87.5. Okay. So I'm gonna be looking for an entry here, but the problem is that we're too far. These exponential moving averages are a little bit too far, but can be still manageable. Look at ES. Wow, what a move. Look at here. If you're trading ES, look at the 1 minute chart, and it hasn't gone into this. This could have been a beautiful trade, but it didn't tap into this fair value gap. It just went up. So that's a FOMO. Somebody is trading that. Do we have some news here? There you go. S&P 500 nears 5K mark. We know that. Earnings, yeah. Wall Street, okay. Okay. It's gonna go for, it's almost confirmed that we're gonna go for 29. So we should be going for that level. By the way, guys, can you push the like button, please? It would mean a lot to me. What is everybody else doing, by the way? Let me check. What's happening? Everybody's waiting. All right, so that's what's happening. My computer is slowing down a bit. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but it's slowing down like crazy. Oh yeah, guys, this is coming. That's all I can show you right now. The Pip Ninja trend following system is almost coming, guys. Oh, that was just a thumbnail. That was just a little bit of a sneak peek. All right. Okay, ES is going up there. Now we are seeing something right now on the Russell. But the thing that we don't know is it going to reprice this level or not? 26. Or are we gonna go higher? Are we gonna go higher? Yeah, let me delete these limit orders. I think it wants it. 76.7. All right. I have a pending order on the Russell. The low of this candle 76.7, and that's my pending order on Russell right now. Let's see if it wants it or not. Still nothing. Are we gonna get filled? Not yet. Not yet, but I have a pending order. All right, we got filled. We got filled, and so stop, and I'm gonna try to put the TP a little bit up there at 87 maybe. Okay, hold on. My entry is at 76.7. Stop is at 72.3. If it goes down, it goes down. And 85 is my final TP. Okay, just a small position with micros as always. So actually this one is a riskier one. It's high risk. Maybe I should not have taken it, but it's high risk. See you. Thank you for being here, Zoltan. Köszönöm szépen. Szép napot, szép estét. Thank you very much. I'm on tilt for no reason at all. See you. Yeah, be careful with those tilts. Yeah. Have a good rest. Take a walk. Take a good walk. Walk it out. Don't even know why I didn't. Not my favorite positions here. But I do like those highs on the 1 hour. I do like them. Unfortunately, it goes against me right now. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Unfortunate guys. We had such a beautiful trade, but that's why you have to go with a proper risk reward ratio. Stop is below there. It can easily go down, take out those equal lows, but I'm sticking to the plan, and that's what matters, you know, sticking to the plan. Oh yeah, you guys don't trade the Russell, I know. Everybody trades Nasdaq, just as I do, and ES, but nothing is happening on those right now. So this is the trade I'm checking for right now. What do we have here? I was really hoping for this pump all the way to those highs, but might gonna have a problem here. Yeah. No worries. We are going to deal with it. I don't like this move. Maybe I should close it. But it's on, so we made peace with it. So I don't like that. Maybe I should close it. Or at least maybe sell some of it. Let me know what you guys are doing. I know everybody wants Nasdaq to go higher. No, ES. Everybody wants ES to go higher. Look at that. It repriced this fair value gap on the 1 minute. The problem is it closed below in this fair value gap. Let's check it. It actually looks good for long. ES definitely looks good for a long, but I don't know. I don't know. If it closes above this fair value gap, then that's a good sign that it wants to continue to fight. That's good for NQ, a little bit good for Russell too, but I know they are not correlated that much. I mean, not paired that much. So we're gonna wait. Let's see what it wants. This is the only trade right now. Let me know what you guys think or what you guys are doing. Because heck, I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know. I just don't know what Russell wants here. Maybe I should close it. I don't feel that strong momentum in price right now. It would be awesome to make that push to the 80s, but I don't know. Any news from good old ICT? Is he breaking the World Cup now? Is he at first place, or what's happening there? Okay. What do you guys think is going to happen? I want to know. My god, it's so damn dark here. Let me put on some lights. Give me a second. I'll be right back. I'm back with some more lights. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna sit in this trade for quite a while. I don't know. Or maybe it just can go down the elevator. What's going on with NQ? Nothing. ES, nothing. Having some trouble breaking this fair value gap. I mean, the level is holding so far. I just don't know for how long. Yeah, ES is definitely in trouble. Russell, not one. Yeah, it's just, it doesn't really want to move. Crypto Panda, good morning. Everybody's doing great, even the ones who are not typing anything to the chat. We love them because they're here. So, Crypto Panda, thank you so much. And we're doing great. Everybody's doing great here, I think. So, how are you doing? Tell me about that. How are you doing? Any good trades so far? How is Methodical Man doing? Let me see. Is he on? Is he streaming, right? Let me check him. Let me peek into the chat. or to the stream. What's he doing? Okay. What's happening? Yeah.
Next leg will be bullish. Love that backseat as a kid. Yeah. My grandmother had a car like that.
All right. So Methodical Man is, I see a little bit of a negative trades there. He almost blew up. Oh no. No, he didn't. No, he shouldn't. Actually, I'm thinking what to do with this Russell trade. My supersonic futuristic indicators from the future are telling me to go long, but my gut feeling tells me to exit this position as fast as I can. But the futuristic, supersonic, magical indicators from Asgard and from the parallel universes telling me to stick with this long. But I think it's just a scam. NQ is backing down a bit. Back to the 54 EMA. Should be having some bullish turn here, hopefully. Sooner than later. Guys, please push the like button and subscribe. I need subscribers. Somehow, you know, a strange thing. I just noticed that in the past 1 week, I had basically no subscribers. I mean, I was streaming and uploaded a little bit of video, but I had 0 subscribers. I don't know why. And sometimes I have like 10 or 20 subscribers in a day. And right now I don't know. It's interesting. The algorithm is interesting. I had share of, yeah. Oh, ATF. I just sold them. You sold it? I was in the red for a week. You got rid of it? Well, maybe I should get rid of it as well. If I look at the 1 hour, I'd see these equal highs up there. And if I look at the 4 hour, it's still there beautifully. I don't know. I really don't know. If it wants to go for it higher or not. Big question, to be honest. On the daily, we have this fair value gap from 80. What's the high here? 88. That's not so far. But Russell is a different species. It's acting weird sometimes. Doesn't really want to do what it has to. Well, yeah. ES 5 minute looks nasty. Let's check it. Oh. ES 5 minute. What the hell is this, man? What is this? ES 5 minute. What the hell is this? Guys, what the hell is ES 5 minute? This is like hell right here. I'm gonna just put it until the candle bodies goes. Look at this. This is basically hell for a trader. Maybe I should close the Russell trade while I can. Maybe I should do it while I can with a small loss. This is hell. Hello, Ulzi. Nice to see you. Kishig. I like that. Kishig Ulzi. Thank you so much for joining. Good to see you there. How are you doing on this beautiful day? It's evening now here in my country. In my time, it's 5:20 p.m. So it's getting darker outside, but I'm guessing for you guys in the US, it's beautiful sunshine. And from some other people in the other side of the planet, it's almost morning. Or actually, it's morning. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh no, we lost. We lost this. What should we do? Yeah, unfortunately. This trade has gone to the dumpster. What else we have? We might be having a new setup here, or we might be having a new setup on the Nasdaq as well. I'm gonna be looking at that if we see a structure shift again. But it only can work out if ES wants to fight for the new highs. So let's check it. Let's check it. I think we should be able to catch this move. Maybe both on ES and both on the Russell. So let's zoom this one out. There you go. Well, basically the problem is that this is not a real structure shift. That's my problem with this one. So what else do we got? Nothing. It's the waiting game, everyone. It's the waiting game. It was looking good for a while, but then it just gave up. So NQ must follow US 30, so I'm going to short. You're shorting NQ? All right. Well, you know, we have a market structure shift, so look at that. It's technically a bearish breaker if you're looking at it closely. What we see on the 1 minute is a bearish breaker right now. I bought 100k static account from Apex. I was down 600, about to blow it. Oh no, Crypto Panda. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Be careful with those. The static account is great, but you know, you have to be careful only using 1 or 2 micros there. Tight stops or, you know, proper risk management. I know it's difficult, but yeah. What's the high here? Okay. Nothing extra. I thought that we're gonna see a structure shift here, but actually we do see one. This is a market structure shift right there. So we might have an opportunity on the Nasdaq to go long if it's not going to reprice this level. 78. Yeah. Let's see if it's going to leave a fair value gap or not. No, it's not leaving any fair value gap, so the setup is off. What about Russell? Nothing. Okay. It repriced it immediately. Immediate reprice, just the previous day high. So no entry on that one. Nothing. I almost went long, but then I changed my mind. All right, guys. Consider to buy some new accounts if anybody wants it. So a little bit of a time for a commercial here. The best value, by the way, is at My Funded Futures if we count together with the activation fee. The starter account, actually. That's a very good value if you want to go for it. Otherwise, Apex has the best deals for evaluation accounts. So sell limit 820. What? Sell limit 820. That's your target? I guess it is 820. I hope you get it, because you're short NQ, so that's your target, I guess. I hope you can get it. I really hope. For now, it looks like it's a little bit acting crazy up here. I don't know what's going on with NQ. Acting up a little bit. I have no entries. At least not for now. The only entry that I would have is basically on NQ for long, but we have such a small, tiny fair value gap down here that I don't even know if it counts as a trade. The low of this candle is 75.50. Yeah, I put a limit order there in case if it wants to go back down there and reprice that small gap. If it's repricing it, that will be my entry to take another long, but that's a big if. Let's see. Is it going to take it or not? No, it's not. Not yet, at least. Very small gap. Not that significant. Open short. Yeah, you're short. Well, I'm watching if this gap is going to provide us, I mean for me at least, an entry. I'm thinking to go long, but if it's just burst through like crazy, then well, I just have to bite the bullet, and it is what it is. Feels like it might want to go back down and refill that. It's at 50. It doesn't really want to take it. Because, you know, for a second I thought that that we're gonna take that small little gap there, but it's not. You know, we also have the whole number of 900 up there, and we have the 18,000 level, which can be a possible entry. But yeah, oh, your sell limit 895. Okay, so 895. You entered 895. Okay. Okay, all right, all right. Well, if this is your entry, you can go short, or if this is your stop, then that's a reasonable stop if you're short. If you're short, then your stop as 95 should be okay. I mean, if it goes above, then obviously you have to get out from the trade. Who knows what's going to happen after that. Bum, 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 bum. I'm looking for that gap. Am I going to get a fill here? Okay, I got filled on the trade. I'm going to target the 900s. Yeah. So I entered to a long. Maybe I shouldn't have. But my entry is 875, 75.50. My stop loss is 58.25. No, yeah, 58.25 is my stop. Take profit is 908.25. All right. So this is the one I'm having right now. Let's see what's gonna happen. It can easily dump down, but for now I'm hoping that, oh no. I thought that ES might try to fight for those highs, but unfortunately it's just not working out the way it should. I was really hoping for ES to do something good. But it's not really doing it. What a shame. What a shame. Ba-da-dum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum. What else do we have here? The Russell is still climbing slowly, but NQ is going to give this one up, I'm afraid. And ES is still going down. Not good. Not good. That's it for the highs. That's it for my trade. Let's wait this one out. I use Australian broker AvaTrade. I know them. Swap is too high. Like, oh yeah, have to be careful with swaps. Definitely. Most of the forex prop firms are doing very crazy with swaps. So I know AvaTrade. There might be a little bit expensive. But, you know. I wonder if this one wants to go through the 900s or not. Because right above there, we have the 900, and we have the whole number of 18,000. And that's why I was hoping that if ES would like to continue the fight to go higher, then, you know, we could see some nice bullish run to all-time historical highs at 529. But now, sideways action, shaking everyone out, including myself. But please do consider to subscribe, and if you want to grab some codes or discounts, you can use my links, and very good sale at Apex still. Try them out. I think they have a really good sale right now, so consider to use them if you would like to. Otherwise, nothing. Yeah, I think today is just not gonna be that day where everything checks out the way it should. We have 900 level. I'm gonna put the 900 level here, there, as a whole number. Let's see if they want to get it or not. All right, we're just gonna wait. Not much else we can do here, and I'm gonna check the Russell for some kind of a structure shift. Well, not shift, but confirmation that it should continue bullish here. If the Russell would break this level right here, let me draw that. I would be really glad. So that level would be awesome to be broken. Otherwise, I don't know. So break of this structure with the displacement, then I'm gonna be checking a re-entry on the Russell again. I'm definitely looking for that move. I want to see a structure shift here to the upside. Hopefully. What are you guys up to? Any trades? Ready? Yes, I'm in a trade. I can show you actually. I'm in the same. Oh, it's locked. Sorry. Unlock. So I'm on trade here with micros. I'm long Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq, and I'm looking for some more highs. So as you can see, it's the same trade, the same exact entry and stop loss here. So this is the only trade I'm long on NQ. Oh no, my background. So I'm long on NQ on this trade, and yeah, hopefully we will get it. Hopefully we will get it. But it seems like it is losing the momentum. I wanted to see it go to 17,900, but it just doesn't really want to do that. I don't know. Definitely interesting. And I'm also looking at the Russell, if it wants to do a market structure shift here, then I'm going to be considering to go along there as well. But for now, this is the trade. Or waiting. Looking NQ down after bond auction. Yeah. I'm on and off, still break even, no profit. Yeah, no problem there. Guys, I mean, today is definitely an interesting day because you know, it's hard to decide right now. That's why I'm using these indicators to help me to get a little bit stronger with my bias. Hold on a second, I have to take a quick phone call. Just a second. All right, so it was definitely an interesting day to decide what to do. Ba-dum-bum. But I'm still bullish, so I want to see in the big picture, by the way, I want to see this one to go all the way to 18,000, so that would be really awesome. And I'm still seeking some structure shift on the Russell, but it seems like it's not going to give us what we want. I'm gonna hold this one for now, and maybe I consider to take profit at the whole number of 900. Maybe, not sure, but I like to see that level to be tapped into. That's one of my plans. So what are you guys up to? No, really. So the trades I'm taking are actually part of the. I mean, I try to put these trades, some of them actually, into the signal group. I'm not even sure if you guys can see that properly. So this is in my Discord right here, and so I'm putting all this to signals as well on my Discord. Yesterday was a break-even day. Before that, there was a $680 day with 2 trades, and before that there was a $625 day, 6 trades, 50% profitable. So today we are down actually, so it's gonna be a negative day most likely, but we're doing okay, we're doing fine. And there's gonna be an update about these indicators that I'm using with MetaTrader. Oh, come on. What the heck is going on with my computer? So I'm using this indicator and I really like it. I'm testing the account at FTMO, and many good trades have been taken on this one, so I really like it. And there's going to be a new separate video about this indicator. You can use it for prop firms or for your own account, or even for futures as well. I mean, for Forex prop firms, of course. But many of these trades are based and confirmed by this indicator in confluence with smart money concepts. That is something I'm trying to do also. Discord free. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the Discord is, and I hope no one takes it personally, because it's not. This is the only job I do here on YouTube, and although I passed a few funded accounts, I'm still trying to make a living from this. So this is $10 per month, but please do not join the Discord for just the signals. The signal service on the Discord is still under development, so we have only a few people on the Discord, only a few members. We share setups, entry models, we have some educational materials, we have indicators, we have some weekly forecasts on the Discord. And as a brand new service, I'm putting these trades, not all of them, but some of them, to the Discord server. But please do not join the Discord only for the signals, at least not yet. But if you do join, it's $10 per month. I do appreciate it. I want to hold some webinars in the future as well for only Discord members about charts, setups. I have my exact entry models there for the 30-second chart. So trying to upload more and more content to the server. So it's small, it's growing, but it's a small server right now. It's $10. There's a link below somewhere in the description if you want to check it out. But it's like, it's for it's only, I mean, it's also for supporting the journey, you know, guys. And I'm going to be sharing more and more information with these setups and entries, which I take with this model, which is also combined with smart money concepts. So yeah, it's not free, but I'll try to think of something. There is a lifetime membership, there is a monthly membership for $10, but yeah, and the reason for why is that I'm trying to pay the bills, and that's it. But I hope it's not an offense to anyone. $10 for a month is, I think it's not a huge deal in today's world. But I'm trying to put more and more information to the server. So yeah, I'm just trying to be humble here and respectful, but it's part of my online revenue stream. Okay, We had a little bit of a structure shift here. Yeah, no problem there. No, I mean, it's. I really hope that as time goes by, I will get the chance to build it up more, and you know, I see it as an opportunity as well for everyone. There's an entry on the Russell to go long, but I'm not sure if I want to take it. Since I'm already in this trade, I'm not sure that I want to take this trade on the Russell. We had a small fair value gap here. Indicators were pointing up. I'm not sure. I don't know. You know what? I don't care. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does, you know. And I would like to see the Russell go to 85, by the way. So it would be great to see it go all the way up to the 80s at least. I know I'm married to the idea. Maybe I shouldn't have. But I would really love to see it go up. I would really love to see it go up there. Okay. I'm not taking more risk, that's for sure, except for this trade only. 1974 9 1974 9. All right, stop loss is 70.9. That's my stop. 1 to 2 risk reward is up there. This is what I see on the Russell. I might close it manually if I don't see the kind of reaction that I'm hoping for on these levels. Unfortunately, NQ is not looking good. So yeah, NQ went down a bit here. You know how they say, live to fight another day in trading. But because I'm only going with micros, I don't really care too much. But yeah. NQ is in drawdown. What the frack is going on? I wish I would know. I wish I would know what's going on. It was looking quite alright, but now it's just, I think ES having trouble, but hard to tell. I mean, we have the 900 as a clean target up there. And we have ES that wants to fight still, and it's ranging. I know that. Maybe I hope that the lunch hour will bring us some volume to maybe go back and run the highs. But this is crazy on the 1 minute, that's for sure. Yeah, that's NQ is looking bad right now. NQ is looking real bad right now. It might going to run the low, but the macro is only working for another 3 minutes can kill this trade. So I might going to have to close it. I'm not sure. Not sure. I don't know. There's still less than 2 minutes from the macro. Actually 1 minute and 10 seconds. And then we will see what the lunch hour wants to do. I think it wants to sweep the lows, because that's the job, to sweep some liquidity. Live to fight another day. Yes, it's stuck there at the middle, just as Russell. So I'm still going to wait. Problem is that it looks bearish. That's my concern. Not much to do here. Everything is stuck in the same position. Not moving. Not moving, but I cannot do anything else here. I mean, I'm gonna wait this one out, but it's really hard to tell what's gonna happen. Especially with the Russell trade. I really thought that we are gonna see some historical highs. But let's wait this one out. I think we might have some positive momentum here. I hope it stays the way like it and then continues to make some new historical highs. If the narrative wants to continue to go higher, then the PM session can bring us that rally. I mean, if we look at the 5-minute on ES, you can see that we just, I mean, everything was just accumulating in this area, and they were accumulating positions and orders all the way, and I think they wanted to send it higher, above the 20s even. And if the same goes for NQ here, like accumulating all these positions in this area, then they definitely want to go above the 900, and maybe they want to target those levels there. So it's an accumulation phase, and I think ES is the main driver here. As long as ES wants to go higher, I think we can see some great moves, hopefully. But it's gonna be depending on what ES wants, I think. So let's wait this one out. I'm only thinking if we reach the 900 level, should I take a profit there, or should I not? You know, that's the big catch for me. Should I be sticking with diamond hands or not? That's the big catch. We gotta stick with the winners, right? But Crypto Panda, wow, I just came back, it almost stopped me. Oh wow, dude, I'm happy for you. No moving my stop loss up. If it comes back down, I will dump. Yeah, dude, I'm happy for you. Congratulations for surviving it, you know, and you deserve an applause. I was just looking at ES. I would love to see it go higher, because if ES goes higher to take that historical highs up there, then that would be really awesome. Those historical highs at the 29s, that would be super great. But the problem is that it's still struggling. And the other problem is that market makers see my stop loss and they want to go after me. So that's the problem sharing my trades, you know. The market makers see it and they push the market down for my stop, you know, and it's always a problem. Always a problem with the market makers. Do you use fundamental? Not really, to be honest. Is Apple keeping the market from moving up? Well, maybe. I know there were some releases. Nvidia had some good news, I think. From the others, I don't really know much. I wasn't reading the news. I don't really trade with fundamentals, to be honest. So, I mean, I know some of them, what do they mean, but how they affect the market as a whole, I'm not sure. Let's see, somebody from Fed is going to talk soon, right? Somebody, FOMC member Barkin speaks. Is there some kind of a live feed or something? Upcoming inflation data is likely to be favorable. Okay. So there's an FOMC member talking. And we have bond auction in 41 minutes. The rest of it doesn't really matter. So the PM session gonna be interesting. That's gonna be really interesting. So this FOMC member is still speaking. He's still speaking, and this one can cause some trouble, maybe. I don't know. If he says something crazy, then the market is gonna go crazy. So that's why these events, when anybody from the Fed starts to talk, markets can go crazy. I mean, even if you trade with fundamentals, everybody has different opinions, right? So you can explain, you can use the same data for different outcomes. You can explain it for a bullish outcome. You can have an explanation for bearish outcome just as well. So the same goes with fundamentals, just like with technicals. Someone sees a bullish flag and somebody else sees a bearish breaker, you know, whatever. So the same goes for fundamentals again. You can explain the same data as bullish or bearish. And nowadays, by the way, the market doesn't really react the way it should. I mean, you see a number come out and it does the exact opposite. Not that it should do. So that is crazy sometimes to see that. I'm not saying how people should trade, just sharing why I have problems with it's I mean, I understand perfectly. Absolutely, I understand. I mean, everybody trades as he or she wants, you know, as they want to. Everybody has their own style. It's absolutely, I understand, and no problem there. I just that's why the reason I just wanted to react, like that's one of the reasons I don't really dig myself nowadays into fundamentals too much. Maybe I mean I should. Maybe I should look more. Maybe I should research more about those news releases from the big S&P 500 companies. I don't know. It definitely can give an edge for someone who really understands it. So And until we're waiting, you guys can drop a like. How about that? Drop those likes. Drop those likes. You know the drill. Drop those likes. So I wonder if this one wants to go for the highs or ES wants to go for the highs, because I'm still thinking that ES is the one that's dictating the whole thing. And for now, on the 5-minute, ES looks like bullish. So many, many. A lot of manipulation during the news. It's all about manipulation. And by the way, look at this area here. This is like the worst conditions that you can imagine. But also, it's kind of a good news if you see something like this, because this is typical. This is typically when orders are, you know, are being placed. So orders are accumulated in these areas, and these orders have to be delivered. Now the question is where. I think they want to deliver it higher. They want to squeeze it up there, and it's kind of a good news if you know. If you're on side, that's what I mean to say. It's kind of good to see, but I don't know. NQ is still fighting. Okay. This is the best thing in trading. That basically is just a waiting game. And it's super boring, as it should be. Maybe NQ has a little bit of a bullish momentum now. I don't want to say anything beforehand, but maybe. Bond auction, yeah. Market is waiting for that. Absolutely, Joy. Thank you for being here. By the way, push that like. And yeah, I know bond auction is gonna be in 34 minutes. And I think that is going to shake the markets. I think. I'm looking for a spike actually higher, definitely, as you can see. I'm looking for that. As interest cuts will come, that is good for the NQ. Yeah. Also hoping for the Russell too, because I have a trade on the Russell as well. But that would be great. That would be great. Interest cuts would be definitely a good thing. So I'm looking for this to burst through the 900s. Yeah, but maybe we have to wait for the major news. I mean for the hour. And that's still 32 minutes away. But yeah. We have to wait for that. So far, it looks okay, but you know, we just have to stick to the plan, and that's the only thing we can do here. And by the way, guys, if you would like to support the stream and support me on the journey, please use my codes with Apex and My Funded Futures and BULENOX. The best deal right now is Apex Trader 80%, and My Funded Futures has the best deal, including the activation fee, because there is no activation fee with the starter pack. If you choose the starter pack, there's no activation fee. So go use my link, My Funded Futures, register as a new customer, try out my code TOMSABLE if it's not, and also try out the Feb10 as a Feb10 promo code. They let you go 10%, or try Feb15 or Feb20, and you won't have an activation fee on the account. So check it out. Go check him out. Thank you so much, by the way. And if you want to go with TOPSTEP, I also have a link there. If you're a brand new customer, you have a 20% discount. If you're a brand new customer and use my link, there's a 20% discount on your first account. And that's also a good deal. Let's see how this will go. We were getting close to that 900. Now it wants to go back down. Maybe it's repricing, not sure. So overall, again, the best deal is My Funded Futures with the no activation. Go check it out. And join my Discord. It's only $10 per month. Small community, few people, but promising future. Sharing my trades, some setups. We have some trade setups there, and trade explanation. We have some good members there who are posting some very good setups. Actually, Dominic is the one who is leading, because he's posting some remarkable trade setups there. Really good content, and I love it. I'm gonna have to tell him I'm sorry, because I'm not always able to reply to those, but he has some great content there. And Hello Teacher FX is there as well. He used to be a regular on the stream. He posts awesome trade setups too, trades on CFDs and Forex. So if you would like to join, just find the link there. Okay, so it looks like everybody's gonna wait for those news. What is happening? Let me know what you guys are up to. let's wait for the bond auction news together. And so far it's going to go sideways, most likely, so... I'm going to grab a drink and I'll be back in 2 minutes, so don't go anywhere. We'll be watching the bond auction data, so don't go anywhere, just press the like button please, and consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I'll be back in 2 minutes, or maybe 3. All right, it looks like NQ is turning down a bit. Not good. Not good. We were in such a nice profit here. And now it seems like we're gonna get stopped out. Oh no. Hey there, Justin Right. I'm sorry, I was just eating. It seems like I'm gonna get stopped out. And applause to you as well. Damn it, I'm gonna get stopped down. Yep, I'm stopped. Yeah. Oh, such a shame. I thought that I'm gonna make it, but I didn't. It was looking so good. I don't know what's it gonna do now, honestly. Well, it was with micros, but I still don't like the situation. Oh man, interesting day for sure. That is for sure. Well, maybe the bond auction numbers are gonna give us something. I don't know. Do we have some order block or something here? Maybe. Well, there's a fair value gap that has been repriced here on this level on the 5-minute. There is a bullish order block at 851.50. So I don't know. Anything can happen. Still going down. Going down crazy. Maybe some information leaked. or they just want to manipulate the market. Thank you for the subscription, Andreas. Thank you so much for subscribing. Good to see you on the stream, and you deserve an applause as well as a new subscriber. I still believe the highs should be taken out, so I'm not panicking or anything, but I think we just have to wait for those news. Let me zoom it out on the 1 minute. So what I like to see is a market structure shift here, and hold on, so a bullish market structure shift, and maybe try again, maybe, but that's a big maybe. Let me know what you guys are doing. So far, it seems like that everything just wants to go down. Let me check the Russell again. Still have a trade there, but that's not looking good. That's in drawdown as well. Unfortunate. I really wanted to see that 1 hour highs to be taken. No worries. Maybe we will see a shift here. Let me know what you guys are up to. It's not gonna be a yeah, it's not a market structure shift, so we have to put this here. 10 more minutes and we will see more. We're going into the PM session, so maybe we will have something. Okay, we need this. Well, this candle has only 5 seconds to close higher. I'm not sure if it's gonna make it. Okay, so the next candle needs to close above this level, which is the 70. If this is going to be the entry that I'm looking for. Okay. Only a few minutes until those numbers come out. So far, the Russell is holding up, but I don't know for how long. Okay, so now the next structure shift level could be there. Let's see if it won it or not. ES is still in the middle. Looking for some move in the PM session. Maybe they will decide what to do with all this. But I would love them to send NQ higher. That would be awesome. Come on, let's go. We still have some time until news, but look at that. Going down. I wonder how long. It might want to take out the 36, but that would be quite a huge dip. I mean, technically not. It got dipped down just before the numbers, and then who knows what's gonna happen. Okay. Hello, Teacher FX. What's up? Well, today I'm having a red day. So today I am down. Actually, let me check. I'm down $230 right now at this moment. So not good, not good. And that's why I'm not sending more signals to the Discord as well, because we're over 0.5% down today, and it's a good thing I didn't send more signals, but it's a red day, you know. Red days are in the cards, but not a big deal so far. I was starting up with $50,624, and now I'm a little bit below 400. So it is what it is. I hope you had a better day. I hope it's better for you. Waiting for this auction data to come out soon. Bond auction. Hopefully they will decide what to do after that. But I would like to see some bullish movement on NQ after the data release. That would be great to see. How is your day so far? Hello, Teacher FX. I hope you're having better trades than me right now, because I started at 25k today, which was given to me by Clarity Traders. Wow, nice, nice. Currently in Euro USD buys and break even. Nice, Euro USD. All right, very good. Yeah, it had a nice run up here before the lunch hour. That's nice, man. That's cool. That's cool. That is awesome. All right, data is almost ready to come out. 40 more seconds, and hopefully we will see something, some kind of a movement at least. Okay, 25 seconds. Let's see those numbers. I want to see those numbers. Okay, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Anything special? Anything special here? I don't see anything special. So that's it for the numbers. Oh, it's at 01. All right. It's not. It's okay. I still have to wait. Sorry. I still have to wait. So 25 more seconds. I'm sorry about that. Still have to wait. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still no reaction. Still no special reaction here. ES a little bit trying to climb up here. Small structure shift to the upside there, but nothing really happening. What's the data, by the way? Who cares, right? Okay, so it's like still water. That was the last data for today, I guess. Okay, we have a spike here. Nice. What the hell is going on? Do they want to send it higher? My take profit got hit on the Russell here. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, I thought at first. What else do we have? We had the structure shift. Yeah, it's going up nicely. I'm gonna put a pending order. Just in case we would trigger this trade. My pending order is at 71. Actually, I'm gonna put it to 72.25. So that's where my pending order is. If it wants to get it. If not, then we're just gonna leave it. The Russell trade is going all right for now. Yeah, Joey. Yeah, absolutely. It was a nice spike, although the problem was that it actually took me out and should have waited more. Should have waited more. I was sure that. Yeah. Absolutely. And by the way, you deserve the applause because you said so. I was a little bit greedy and entered earlier, so my stop got taken out. But my Russell trade is okay. That's going fine. That's going fine. Still, I'm going to be in drawdown for today. And I have a pending order at 72.25. If it gets triggered or not. 72.25 is my entry. And let's see if we're going to get it or not. Okay, I got filled at 72.25. And so let's see. My take profit is going to be a little bit higher up there. I'm going to put it to 909. It's not going to be a perfect 1-to-1. I mean, it's 1.77 R. That's what I'm hoping. I may gonna even add to it. We'll see. So this is my trade. Russell is going well. So I got filled there and my TP is up there. And if some of you guys don't believe it, then you better see it, right? Oh, it's locked. Hold on. So this is my trade. So the same exact trade, right? On NQ. Micro, of course. Only risking 2 micros, so I want to hold this until we get all the way up to the 900s. My fill was actually quite perfect, to be honest. I do like it, but so there, now you guys can see it. Okay, so I'm in a slight profit only with 40 ticks, which is only a couple of dollars, but anyway, that's the trade. And so the Russell is still here. I'm just putting it to break even. So no loss on that one, and we'll see how this one goes. Please guys, if you like the stream, push the like button, subscribe, and support me. Please use my codes. There's good discounts at Apex and BULENOX. My funded futures also have a very good deal. So consider them as well. Actually, they have awesome deals. Now I'm gonna get to a drawdown, it seems like it. Not a problem. Okay. Okay, I just sent this one out to the Signal group. All right, let me update this. All right, it has been updated. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. As I said, the Russell is still looking okay, but I'd like to see 87. Actually, that would be awesome. Otherwise, nothing. Let me go back to NQ real quick. You know, if this one is not going to break those highs, then maybe it should be better just to leave it as it is. All depends on if ES wants to fight for those historical highs. It should be going for the previous high, 520. I think we are at uncharted territory here. So hard to tell where we go. Very, very, very hard to tell where we go from here. I mean, it's risky, not hard, but a little bit risky. Or should I say riskier than usual? Russell is still a little bit down there, but we're good on that one. Unfortunately, NQ is losing steam, and I don't like that. My hope is in ES, that it wants to fight. Come on, ES, fight for it. Fight for it, because it will going to pull NQ. And I want it to pull NQ. I really want it. Let me know what you guys are doing, or what you guys are trading or thinking. Nvidia is ranging. I expect for... No, nothing. Okay. Yeah, it's interesting how Nvidia has so much influence. I mean, of course, one of the biggest companies in the Magical 7, part of the Magic 7, right? So, but still, carrying everything on its back. I wouldn't be surprised, you know, if one of these days, maybe even today, ES and NQ and all the index futures would just, you know, dump like super crazy. Like on the other day, it was a few weeks ago, NQ dropped like 400 points or 500 points in an hour, maybe. I wouldn't be surprised on anything. For now, it seems like it's a possibility that at these highs, when it runs out of steam, it's just gonna be a super large elevator drop. So in the PM session, if in the next 1 hour or 90 minutes, it's not going to pick up some phase, some steam here, some momentum, then I don't know. Then the whole narrative for today becomes questionable. Nice trade. Well, the Russell was good. It's still good. I did not send it to the Discord. Today our Discord is gonna end up in red. Even if I win this last trade, it's gonna end up in the negative territory. Otherwise, we did some good days, some good trades, and I do have some account metrics with the FTMO account right here. So today we are down almost $300, but otherwise I was having like really good days. We were having a $200 negative day, 600. Yesterday was break even. Now I'm doing my we had 5 trades already, and unfortunately we are down, but it's still okay. I still like the equity curve. Everything is fine. So where are we right now with this one? Yeah, we're up 3%, 3.5% more than. So win ratio is about 50%, so still good. Average risk reward is still good. So that's good for the signal group. It's really good. But I don't know if I can trust this trade anymore. Russell is still climbing. 3% profit. Yeah, I mean, these are the trades that I'm sending to our Discord. So, for example, yesterday, here's the proof, because maybe there are some people out there who thinks this is a hoax or something. So here's a small proof that yesterday the expert advisor said that we closed with $5.05 of profit. Here it is, $5.05. The day before that we ended $680. It's here. There you go, $680.48. There you go. This was this day. The day before that we ended up $625. There you go, $625.79. But the day before there is a difference because I did not do the daily. So I implemented this function to the EA just a 2 or 3 days ago to make a daily close. But all these trades came from this account. So, but today we are down. We have a negative day, but it's still all right. Still fine. Oh no, our Nasdaq. Our Nasdaq trade. What is gonna happen? What's going on here? I don't like this move. I was really hoping that we will breach the 900, but I think I'm starting to lose hope in that one. What targets do we have on the downside? Not too much. Maybe it sounds crazy, but maybe I should widen my stop a little bit, but not sure. We are inside of a 5-minute structure shift as well, so we have a fair value gap here. Right there. So I don't know. Five-minute fair value gap. Not sure. Not sure what this one is going to bring us, but I just don't like the fact that this is losing momentum. That's a bad thing. Yeah, it should be acting as support. It should be. But I don't know. I have second thoughts about the whole narrative right now. If they really wanted this to send it higher, they should have already done it by now. I mean, we have, well, we still have some time, of course, until market close, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. The PM session, nowadays the PM session used to bring some really nice moves. So the AM session used to be like this, like today on the ES. Look at this. This is terrible. Terrible what the ES made today. This is just the trader's worst nightmare. This. It's absolutely terrible. So I don't know what NQ wants to do here. Anyway, we're gonna wait this one out. Let me know what you guys think, and you know, use my links. And if you're rich, please donate me. I have no payouts from Properum yet. I mean, in January I had nothing. Okay, it seems like I don't know. That's the problem with these fair value gaps. But for now it's holding, which is a good news. It's definitely good news. It's definitely good news. Feels like it wants to go down and take these lows. Tom, when is your next payout, dude? Well, unfortunately, I don't know. I don't know because we are working on a new TOPSTEP account. And I say we because I have a friend who joined me here in Hungary and in my country, and we worked on that account together. Which way are we going? I can guarantee you, Justin, right, that we're gonna go up or down. That's for sure. But we're gonna go. You know what? We're not going anywhere. We're staying right here. The market is going to freeze, and that's it. That's gonna be it for today. We're gonna stay at 870. So yeah, back to the question. Back to the question. I have no idea when is the next payout, because I'm down to one funded account at TOPSTEP, and I gave back the profits from January, and so I decided to start new evaluations from February, and right now I'm only a few $100s up on these evaluations. I have one at Apex, BULENOX, and my funded futures. So I'm only up a few $100s. So pretty much looks like that I'm gonna need a few weeks more in February to build up my accounts, and it's a little bit frustrating, but of course, but yeah, I'm liking the downside, but I could be wrong. Yeah, the thing is, I wanted to see it rip all the way through the 900s because ES should be going up. I mean, I'd like to see ES go up, and I think ES will try to push to the historical highs. Maybe not today, unfortunately, and that's why I'm still bullish on NQ. But it looks like that Nasdaq is losing that momentum. I mean, it went all the way down. So far the fair value gap was holding, but I'm telling you, if this one goes back into the fair value gap and trades through it, then it's just gonna go down like crazy. It's gonna go, I think it can go all the way down to 830s, 820s, because that's it. Then it's gonna be a sell-off. Tom, do you have a part-time job or expenses? Are you moving back with your No, I'm not moving back with my parents. I have a part-time job. Which is not a big deal. I was working before for an insurance company, and I have a colleague from there, an ex-colleague who has a small entrepreneurship, a small company there, working as a contractor for an insurance company, and so I'm helping him as a side income. But as you can see, I'm streaming in London session. I'm try to stream in New York session as well, and I don't really have too much time to work with my side job, but it provides somewhat enough money to pay my bills. But you know, it takes time to build up the trading career. I know that, but I dedicated myself to this, to work it out, and that's why I'm going to grab the opportunities to you know, if I can have an affiliation link, which I posted it out, and that brings a few more dollars, that helps with the bills. Why not? Of course, everybody does that. And the Discord, yes, the Discord is $10 per month, but that also helps a little bit with the, you know, that helps me to keep standing, you know, in this whole thing. Makes my life a little bit easier. I think you went full-time trading a little too early. No. I do not regret it. No, absolutely not. I feel the pressure, but I like it. Absolutely, I like it. So I feel what you mean there, but you know, I think there's I mean, going full-time trading is like, I think there's a comparison where, like, asking when is the best time to have a child, right? So I know many people are saying or having different thoughts of when is the best time to have your first child, right? Some people are saying, oh, first we have to be financially stable, first we have to build a house, first we have to get like 2 cars, first we have to have this and this amount of money in the bank. I think with trading is the same. There is no perfect time to go full-time trading. Of course, it makes life easier if you have another income stream, but it makes you want to be, it makes you take the whole thing much more seriously if you're doing it full time. So I don't regret it. I do have some stressful days sometimes, but I like it. I mean, not that I like it, of course, nobody likes to stress out, but it keeps me on my goal. So Scrollers 16, what? 16? What does that mean? Do we have some kind of level at 16? Let me know. It looks like so far NQ is getting back up there. So I don't regret going full time. So I like it. I like doing this. And that's why I'm also building up my YouTube and some online streams. That helps me out. And then maybe I don't even have to do my side job because, you know, if my online revenue streams provide enough money to pay my bills, then I don't have to work for that insurance company on my other hours besides trading. So that's a goal. But this market never will have a big red day. Well, there's truth in that. I give you that. So there's some wisdom you're saying there. I don't know what's gonna happen with this whole thing. My Russell trade is going well, guys. It's going awfully well. Awesome, 82 almost. I was hoping that ES will climb up there and maybe we'll go for that all-time highs, and seems like it's going okay. Make a break even. I'm not putting a step to break even. Scientifically, we can born child at the age of 16. Oh, we have that power. Oh, I see that. Okay, well, you know, that's an interesting theory. But yeah, scientifically, if it's proven, you know, then why not? I'm not putting it to break even. I put the Russell trade to break even. I'm quite happy with this one. My target is up there at 82.9, so that's my TP. It's taking quite a while. I'm holding this trade since 1.5 hours, so I'm waiting with that. And I want to see this break through the 900. You know, if we get a momentum to the 900, maybe it can go even higher. It can go to the 20s or the 50s. I'm telling you guys, look at this. We're so close to the 18,000 level. We're so close, 18,000. And yeah. We're very close. So far, the signal group is, maybe we can recover by the end of the day. We are down a little bit. Hopefully the NQ trade will help us to recover a little bit. But the signals are so far okay. We'll see. We shall see. The Russell is looking beautiful. It looks absolutely remarkably beautiful. If you look at the 1 hour, I see these relative equal highs here on the Russell. I know you guys don't trade it, I know, but I see this level up there. The EMAs are also congested here. and we have these equal highs. So that's at 87, and my target is at 81.9. So that's why I believe that the Russell trade should go well. And yeah, that's it. I wonder if this one is going to reach TP until the end of the PM session. But if we get a little bit of momentum, we should be breaking the 900. It's not too far. It's 15 points is nothing for Nasdaq. Nasdaq can do 15 points anytime. Oh, look at my Russell there. Almost at TP. Almost there. Come on, Russell index. Looks great. This one is at break even, so I called it just around lunchtime. Okay, NQ is losing momentum. Come on. Come on. We don't need too much. Alright. My trade is off. Okay, TP reached. Nice. I love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This was an interesting trade. I still think it will go up to 87. Wow, I love this. This is cool. This is cool. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I know nobody trades the Russell. I trade it. I like it. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Let's see. Push those like buttons, guys. All right. Like what I see so far. So again, this is the theory. ES is going to fight for historical highs, and because it's paired up with NQ, it should be bringing it up there. You see that? This is exactly what I'm talking here. Sometimes it's difficult, but trading is most likely boring and should be boring, because if you're bored, then your mind is calmed down and then you can make reasonable decisions. Well, you should be making. Okay, anyway, let's just wait. Let's wait. What else do we have? Ba-da-dum-bum-bum. Look at the Russell, it still wants to go there. 87 is a good target. Unfortunately, the Nasdaq is having trouble. All right. Still going to wait. Not much to do with this. All right. What do we have? I'm not sure if I want to babysit this one. I mean, not on the stream, because most likely I'm not willing to take more trades. I had a nice one on the Russell. I'm not trading the ES right now. And I think this is going to be the only trade on Nasdaq I will have for the remainder of the day. So I think I'm just going to cut it here. I mean, I have no use to sit here and watch paint dry. Unfortunately, it seems like it's going back against me. So anyway, I think this is it. I'm cutting the stream. I'm going to be back in the London session tomorrow morning. And hopefully this trade will survive somehow. But I'm not going to sit here and watch paint dry. I'm not taking more trades, that's for sure. So thank you very much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow in the London session. All right, please subscribe, use my links, and get those accounts. We have some good discounts there. All right, thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow.